Hey guys, what's up? My name's Goldblade, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a video on the Minecraft loot randomizer. So pretty much, I'm just going to be using this Minecraft randomizer by FastGuy. So this actually was made by Seth Bling originally, and he had a pack for it on with a Python script that you would execute, but this is, in my opinion, a lot easier to do. I tried to make a video on the other way, but it just kind of didn't really work for me. So I'm just going to show you this way because this is easier for me, and this is what I've been doing to make my files. So I'm actually going to make a series on this, but I'm just going to explain it a little bit first. So pretty much what this does is it changes the loot tables in the game so that things drop different stuff. So randomized blocks, so blocks drop different things, chests are changed to different chests, entities drop different entity drops, and then game loot just in general is randomized, so fishing, any other like gifts or special drops. And you can turn any of these on or off, and you need to make sure you have access to data packs. So I'll show you how to get there, and then you have to just enter a random string of numbers right here. And this is just going to make you a random seed. So you can, if you want the same pack as somebody else, you can enter the same seed and it will make the same pack. And yeah, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to just go in here and we're going to just click randomize. And once we click randomize, it should just make us a file. There we go. It's loading. As you see, it's generating the files. So we're just going to wait for this to happen. And I'm going to have the link for this I'm just going to have the link for this down in the description. Okay, there you go. You see how we have the loot randomizer.zip right here that just downloaded. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go into Minecraft. Okay, so we're here in Minecraft. And I'm just going to go into single player. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a world. So I already have a world created. I have it named Randomizer. So you can open this and do this, but I prefer just to do it from the home screen just so nothing really goes wrong. So you're just going to click on it and you're going to click edit, and then you're going to click open world file. Once you open that, what that's going to do is that's going to bring you to this page right here, and that's just going to bring you to the file randomizer or whatever the name was, the name of your world was called. So if you wanted to get here without going through the actual game itself, what you can do is you can click Control R to open up this little box down here, and then you just type in %appdata%, and then click OK. I'm not going to do that because I already have a page open, but that's just going to bring you to the roaming file right here, and then you're just going to go to .minecraft, saves, and then randomizer, saves, and then whatever the world name is. Mine's just named randomizer. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to data packs, and this folder is empty, obviously. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag that download with it zipped into that data pack. So there we go. As you see, that's in the data packs folder. And now everything should be randomized. So we're going to check that out right now. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to close this and go back into Minecraft. Okay, we're back over into Minecraft. I'm just going to click save. And then I'm going to open this world. Okay, so we're here in this world, and I have that data pack set up. So now when we break a block, it should not be that regular block. So I'm just going to try this real quick. So there's grass, and it didn't drop anything, so it looks like it might have worked. Let's try dirt. Huh, dirt didn't give me anything. Let's try wood. Oh, yep, wood drops a bunch of grass and bread. Huh, that's weird. Let's try this leaf. Leaf doesn't give me anything. Huh. Let's kill this piggo down here. If it's not lagging for me, sorry. Sorry if it's too laggy, I'm just trying to... Die, piggo! This porker won't die. Oh, so the porker dropped lime, gray wool, and carpet. And the cool thing about this is since I got that, I can actually put down the carpet and see what that is. Okay, that gives me string. And then this gives me a flower pot. So technically if I kill pigs, I can get string and flowers? What if I break the flower pot? Brown carpet. Purple concrete. I don't have anything to break that. Let's try breaking mushrooms. Ooh, sponge. Sponge give me. Slime blocks. Composter. And the composter gives me a loot table. So yeah, that's kind of how you play this. And yeah, so that's essentially how to download the pack and play, with the Minecraft Loot Randomizer. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the description. I think it's a pretty easy guide. But yeah, so that's how you get that done. And yeah, so, and that's how you do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys will watch some of my other content, and maybe even watch my series that I'm going to release on the Minecraft Loot Randomizer. So yeah, have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, just hit that dislike button, because why not? And yeah, have a good day. Bye, guys.